Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for players looking to elevate their game with a blend of power, control, and comfort. Designed for intermediate to advanced players, this paddle offers a perfect balance of performance and durability, making it ideal for those who are serious about improving their skills. Featuring Head's unique Graphene XT technology, the Radical Elite is engineered to provide an optimal combination of power and control. The Graphene XT construction reinforces the paddle structure, making it both strong and lightweight. This results in a highly responsive feel on the court, allowing players to execute both powerful smashes and precise shots with ease. The wide-body design of the paddle ensures a large sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits and giving players more consistent shots. With a 4.25-inch grip size and a lightweight construction, approximately 7.8 ounces, the Radical Elite is easy to maneuver, providing excellent handling and fast reaction times. The comfort grip reduces hand fatigue, allowing for extended play without discomfort. For players who rely on speed and agility, the Head Radical Elite offers quick ball response and great spin potential. The paddle's design allows players to put significant topspin or backspin on their shots, giving them greater control over ball placement and making it easier to dominate the court. Whether you're playing doubles or singles, the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle provides the performance needed to excel. Its advanced materials, sleek design, and balance of power and control make it an outstanding choice for players seeking a reliable and versatile paddle for competitive play. Number 2. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Z5 is a top-tier pickleball paddle designed for players seeking a perfect blend of power, control, and comfort. Crafted with graphite and carbon fiber materials, this paddle offers exceptional durability, lightweight feel, and superior performance, making it an ideal choice for both recreational and competitive players. One of the standout features of the Z5 is its carbon fiber surface, which provides a highly responsive feel while maximizing ball control and spin potential. The graphite face enhances the paddle's ability to deliver consistent, powerful shots, while its wide body shape offers a larger sweet spot for more forgiveness on off-center hits. The cushion comfort grip on the handle adds to the overall comfort of the paddle, reducing hand fatigue and providing excellent shock absorption. This grip ensures better control and a firm hold, allowing players to maintain their focus during extended play sessions. The grip size is designed to fit comfortably in most hands, enhancing the overall user experience. Weighing in at around 7.8 ounces, the Onix Graphite Z5 offers a balanced feel that supports quick reactions while still providing enough power for deep drives and aggressive shots. The polymer core further contributes to the paddle's superior ball control and reduced vibration, giving players better precision and a smooth gameplay experience. Whether you're attacking from the baseline or making quick volleys at the net, the Onix Graphite Z5 provides the performance and comfort necessary for elevating your game. With its combination of high-quality materials, ergonomic grip, and versatile design, this paddle is a must-have for players looking to enhance their pickleball performance. Number 3. Joola Ben Johns Perseus 3S. The Joola Ben Johns Perseus 3S pickleball paddle is a cutting-edge paddle designed in collaboration with pickleball champion Ben Johns, offering a combination of precision, power, and innovation. Featuring propulsion core technology and a charged carbon surface, this paddle is crafted to deliver a high-performance experience on the court, ideal for competitive players looking to elevate their game. The propulsion core provides a perfect blend of power and control, ensuring excellent ball responsiveness, while also absorbing vibration for a smoother feel on every shot. The charged carbon surface technology enhances spin and power, creating a more dynamic ball response that allows players to execute both aggressive smashes and delicate dinks with ease. One of the standout features of the Perseus 3S is its elongated body shape, which offers a larger sweet spot and provides more room for effective shots, even on off-center hits. This makes it an ideal paddle for players looking for forgiveness while still maintaining a competitive edge. Whether you're on the baseline or at the net, this paddle offers great versatility and control across a wide range of shots. The NFC chip-enabled feature is another innovative touch, allowing players to easily access performance data, tips, and updates via their smartphones. With UPA certification, this paddle meets the highest standards of competitive play, making it a USA Pickleball Association (UPA) approved paddle for sanctioned tournaments. Weighing in at around 8.0 ounces, the Joola Ben John's Perseus 3S provides a well-balanced feel, making it responsive and easy to handle during fast-paced exchanges. With its advanced construction and large sweet spot, this paddle is perfect for those looking to take their pickleball game to the next level. Number 4. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine Pickleball paddle is designed for players who seek elite performance, power, and accuracy in a stylish package. With its vibrant colors and sleek design, this paddle offers both visual appeal and high-level performance, making it a great choice for novice and professional players alike. Built with a fiberglass surface, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle enhances ball control and spin, providing players with the ability to generate powerful shots while maintaining precision. The fiberglass construction offers an optimal balance between power and control, allowing for both aggressive smashes and delicate dinks with ease. The paddle's lightweight honeycomb core adds to its overall maneuverability, making it perfect for quick reactions during fast-paced rallies. The honeycomb core design ensures superior durability and power transfer, allowing players to maintain consistent shot accuracy and excellent ball feel across a wide range of shots. Its lightweight nature also ensures comfort during extended play sessions, reducing fatigue and strain on the arm. USAPA approved, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle is suitable for both recreational and tournament play, meeting the standards of the USA Pickleball Association for competitive play. This makes it a reliable and versatile option for players who want a high-quality paddle that performs well in all situations. With its bright color options, lightweight build, and elite performance features, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle is a fantastic choice for players at any level looking for a paddle that combines style, comfort, and top-tier performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this paddle will help elevate your game. Number 5. 60 Quartz Pickleball Paddle. The Quartz Pickleball paddle combines affordability and premium performance, making it an excellent choice for players looking to enhance their game without breaking the bank. Built with raw carbon fiber, this paddle offers superior durability, power, and control, providing players with a high-quality playing experience at a more accessible price point. The raw carbon surface gives the paddle an impressive strength-to-weight ratio, ensuring a lightweight feel that allows for quick reactions and precise ball control. The carbon construction enhances ball spin and power, enabling players to execute both powerful drives and accurate dinks with ease. Its robust build also delivers consistent performance, even during intense rallies, making it a reliable option for players at any skill level. The honeycomb core further improves the paddle's power and control, offering excellent ball responsiveness and vibration dampening. This core design maximizes shot accuracy and ensures a solid feel on every hit, whether you're making a fast-paced drive or a soft-touch shot at the net. Ideal for both recreational and competitive players, the Quartz Pickleball paddle provides an excellent balance of power, control, and comfort. Its affordable price makes it a perfect entry-level or mid-range paddle for those looking to invest in a quality product without spending too much. For players seeking a paddle that combines high-performance features with cost-effectiveness, the Quartz Pickleball paddle is an outstanding option, offering premium construction, raw carbon fiber performance, and durability all in one.